Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That's hot. That's hot. It has been about 2.5 months that Ling and I have been living here in Queenstown. We're about to go out on an excursion on the TSS EARNSLAW. The TSS EARNSLAW is this old ship that was first launched in 1912, the same year that the Titanic was released. So I don't know how I feel about getting on a boat as old as the Titanic, but that is it right there. You've probably seen it in the background of some of the vlogs that I've posted previous. It's kind of hard to miss. It's a very unique looking boat, so unique that it's been used in several Hollywood films, including Indiana Jones, The Island of the Crystal Skull, and Peter Jackson even used a modeled version of it in his movie rendition of King Kong. It's about a 45-minute boat ride from Queenstown out to the farm. There's gonna be a lovely spread that the chef has prepared for us, a nice barbecue meal. Now is really the best time to be doing something like this because shoulder season is in effect. Normally it costs $130 to take the TSS EARNSLAW to do the barbecue lunch, but they've reduced their prices significantly. So Ling and I got a really sweet deal. We got one ticket for $60 and a second ticket for $90. So we're gonna check in and get on the TSS EARNSLAW. This is the one activity I think Ling has been looking forward to the most. Are you excited to get on that boat?
Yes, so could you please hurry up? All the good seats are taken. Once
we get to the farm, we will enjoy some really good food, and there's gonna be a farm demonstration with dogs. That's what I heard.
Yeah.
You say it's $6 for alcohol? What time is it? 11:45? Is that too early to start boozing?
No.
So it's just 45 minutes down Lake Wakatipu in that direction. It's gonna do its Hamilton spin. Wait for it. Ooh, shoo, look at that. Lovely.
You have the shark just like, excuse me.
Excuse
Okay,
me.
you're done?
Art imitates life, imitates art, imitates life, imitates art, imitates life. Is that how it goes? I think we're leaving soon. Boat departs in 4 minutes.
We're leaving!
Oh, we left?
Yeah, we left.
Wow, I'm starving. I haven't had anything to eat except for like maybe a handful of almonds. Can't wait to get my barbecue on.
Our parents are from Maiden.
So you can come on holiday?
Right, we're going down. Yeah, we've been here for a while. Yeah.
Bravo.
Oh, folks, almost alongside the wharf here at Walter Peak.
Cool, so 45 minutes later, here we are at the Walter Peak High Country Farm. Barbecue lunch is that away. I am starving, I'm so hungry.
Oh, any table of 2, just upstairs.
This excursion should be called Get on a Boat, Get off the Boat, Stuff Your Face, Get back on the boat, and then back to Queenstown. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Bye TSS EARNSLAW. We'll see you when we're like maybe 5, 3, 10 pounds heavier. And that poor boat, man, built in 1912, is gonna have to take on maybe 100 of us. You're eating a hearty meal here at the Country Barbecue Ranch.
Maybe that's why they dropped off all the people that are just doing the cruise.
Yeah.
So that when it comes back, it might be empty.
So our fat asses can hobble on board.
Roll back on board.
How excited are you right now? On a scale of 1 to 10.
12.
Oh, they got pudding. Just throw it on there. We got brie, chutney. Section made for Ling.
Yes.
Because you love your carby breads. I'll go with a little. Yeah, why not? I was not strategic with the usage of my plate, so I will have to go back for the carbery stuff.
I literally have nothing, no space left.
Oh my god, I don't think we have enough food on this table. Man. God, look at this juicy piece of meat right here. Sweet, fat, and crackling pork.
You're right here. Would you like to order something?
We already ordered.
Already? Okay,
Yeah.
just submit. I'll take this away.
Looking forward to this. This was worth the trip alone. This juicy, fatty pork.
I would really like my wine now.
So good. Food's so good, I had to take my sweater off. It's potatoes. We got sausages, Southland beef, roast chicken, brisket.
You know who would have loved this? James Golipath.
Yes. Ling's dad would have loved all of this.
It would have been like shameful how much people would have enjoyed it.
Beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, and good food.
Let it sit in this sauce. Yeah, thank you very much.
Salamat. Thank you. Filipino. Cheers, Ling.
Cheers.
Something like a nice cold lager.
I got a nice Pinot Noir. Touch the fat.
What vineyard is that from?
Rabbit Ranch, which at NZHL was the fancy one that we saved for an important day.
To pair with your brisket or lamb in mint sauce.
I'm uncomfortable. Like I don't want to say regret, but I'm just uncomfortable. And I worry about the boat ride back.
When the food is that good, yeah, just don't vomit over the edge. We're moving on to dessert right now. We've got some fruit sorbet and a pudding. I'm full, I'm wasted. It's time to go take a walk. Let's go, let's take a walk. That is exactly how I feel right now. All the beef, all the lamb, all the chicken, all the salad, all the pork, the pudding, the beer, the Pinot Noir. That sums it up right there, man. That's what I want to be doing.
She's excited. She can do it all day whilst they eat it. Really bad yesterday, so I did some. It took me 10 minutes once I got in the app.
The boat's back. I can see the tip of the steamship. That poor boat, I'm telling you. We're a lot heavier collectively as a group. Ate well, enjoyed this great weather. Technically fall. We are in fall. The autumn season, so this is unusually warm for the season. Bye, farm.
hurt their ears.